What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something extra special for you. We are at the launch event for the new Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. Let's check it out. So the actual reveal is not going to happen until a little bit later in this video, so stay tuned. But in the meantime, the parking lot is starting to turn into a car show. So let's check out some of the cars. I need to interrupt the video for one moment to let you guys know we have picked a winner for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo giveaway. All you had to do was subscribe to this channel and comment the secret code word from any one of the videos, put that in the comments down below, and you were entered. So we've used a random number selector and we have our winner. Our winner is Free Rider Nate. I'm gonna put it right across the screen right here. Congratulations, my friend, you are the winner. We are gonna reach out to you and figure out how to ship this camera as well as some driven swag to you. Thank you so much for entering, and everybody else, stay tuned. We're gonna be announcing a new giveaway really soon. Let's get back to the video. There is a lot of copyright music in there, so I stepped out for just a moment to tell you guys this is a significant event, because this event is Aston Martin, but it's under the Grand Touring umbrella. And Grand Touring and Rarebuilt, where we are today, are sponsoring our July 26, 2025 Driven for a Cure event. Make sure you check it out on social media and on the website for more details on that. We would love to see you there. It's gonna be a huge event and also for a good cause. All right, I think it's time for the reveal. Let's go. I think it's just about time. All right, let's check out this beautiful Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. First things first, the wheels. Check out these massive ceramic brakes on this thing. They are beautiful. But this thing's got carbon fiber accents everywhere. We've got side skirts, we've got on the fenders, and on the wing mirrors. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get around to the back. I know this thing is a full carbon fiber diffuser right here. And you see this yellow stripe? This is actually built into the diffuser, into the carbon fiber. It's not a sticker. It's pretty nice. Let's head around the other side here and let me know what you guys think of the color. It's kind of like a matte taupe or like a matte gold. It's absolutely beautiful in person. Hopefully it coming across well in the video for you guys. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And let me know your thoughts on Aston Martin in general. Do you like this brand? Is this a brand that you would drive? Personally, this car is beautiful. I mean, look at this headlight. This headlight is the work of art. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the way they did the badge on this thing. It just looks so good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. There's not only copyright music in there, but it's also really hot. So again, I stepped out just for a second to ask you to tell me, what do you think of the car? What do you think of the new Aston Martin Vantage Roadster? I gotta tell you, the color is sick. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's see if we can go talk to somebody from Grand Touring, see what they think of the car. Okay, so I've managed to catch up with the Aston Martin specialist, Mark. He's right here with us. Hey Mark, how you doing?
Fantastic, thank you very much.
So tell us, how did the event go?
Really well. The new Vantage is absolutely spectacular. It's even better in roadster form. It's pops, bangs, burbles, and all of the incredible performance that you would expect from 665 horsepower.
So tell me, what is your favorite aspect of the car?
The duality. It is, you can take your wife out for dinner and she's not going to complain. Ride quality is quite agreeable in the specific mode. New Bilstein DTX dampers, very adjustable. Huge bandwidth capability. So you go from nice, soft, and compliant all the way to Nürburgring rock hard, setting lap times. The new Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires with Michelin acoustic noise canceling foam.
Wow.
Makes a huge difference. And the car's got 150 more horsepower than previous gen.
Wow.
More of it gets to the ground and much more efficient. It grips and goes, and it makes all the right noises, and it's just properly exciting.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So Grand Touring is the dealership you work with.
Yep.
Primarily Aston Martin specialist, but at Grand Touring. So tell us about the dealership. What do you guys do at Grand Touring?
Everything super luxury and kind of boutique luxury and exotic car. So yeah, carry the last count it was 9 brands.
What are those brands?
I didn't need my business card. I can't even remember all of them. Aston Martin, Bentley, Lotus, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce are the primary.
Yeah.
Have some smaller special interest. Zagato, Pininfarina, Rimac, Bugatti,
Cool.
Koenigsegg.
Right on.
Yeah. And Himalaya, restored and modified old Land Rovers.
Cool.
And there's always one coming in, another one coming down the pipeline. So yeah, there's no shortage of fun things.
Right.
Yeah.
and where can the viewers find you if they wanted to find you on social media or find you in real life?
Real life, primarily at Aston Martin, Bentley, Calgary, 150 Glendeer Circle Southeast. And we have 2 locations here in Calgary, about 5 minutes apart from each other. All of the sales guys can sell anything from either building. But we all specialize in 1 or 2 brands in particular. That is physically and online. Instagram is probably where I'm most active. GTC Mark, M-A-R-C.
Right on.
Yeah.
Mark, it's great to chat to you.
Great chatting with you.
Yeah, awesome event.
Thank you for having us.
Right on, guys. Again, tell us again what you guys think of the cars in the comments down below. I gotta say, my favorite is probably the blue Vantage.
Okay.
I just like the blue. The blue is just,
I know,
gets me.
The iridescent emerald that kind of stolen your heart.
It has. So like I said earlier in this video, this event is hosted at the Rare Built Homes headquarters here in Calgary, but organized by Grand Touring Automobiles, the dealership. So we have a good partnership with these 2 brands, and both are sponsoring our July 26th event. Again, I'm gonna put all the details for that event below this video, so check it out, click the link, and register for that car show or the rally, or be a sponsor, whatever you prefer. But you know what? Let's go check in with some of the Rare Built girls and see what they thought of the event. Girls, what did you think of the event?
Amazing, so fun.
Yeah. It was exquisite. I never thought in my 39 years I'd ever attended anything like this.
And what do you think of the car?
Oh, stunning.
Chef's
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Thanks, ladies. We'll see you soon. All right, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know what you think about this car in the comments down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next week.